All right. How you be? Let's proceed. Listen, I had got to thinking about carbon, right? They call carbon the bonding, the glue. It bonds. They say the carbon bonds, right? In the universe, right? Carbon bonds. And I got to thinking, okay, they say if you take oxygen and mix it with hydrogen, it's water, right? And it's bonded by carbon, right? And once again, that if you take one plus another one, it's going to be 3. Because if you got oxygen and hydrogen bonded, you have water. So that's once again, 1 plus 1 equals 3. Nevertheless, by the way, what 2 colors make purple? Once again, 1 plus 1 equals 3. Nevertheless, these carbon bonds, right? You know, carbon bond. I'm thinking, well, what sends the intelligence to the carbon to know what to bond and what not to bond? Meaning, why is it that the carbon bonds the oxygen with the hydrogen to make water, but it will bond also other elements, right, in a manner that it separates it? Now, what is the source of the intelligence behind the carbon to know what is to be bonded exactly down to the atomic number and the structure to make it what it is? Now, I know we've been told a lot of different things. See, this is why you have to become a little bit more strange in your comprehending. You know, these new neural pathways, when thinking within self, not to teach a motherfucker. See, it's a part of thinking, you know, and thinking, I use thinking only to balance what I come into into realization of, and why, you know, certain things will work in a dimension where it's beyond this one. Nevertheless, insight, you know, why is it that the carbon bonds what it bonds in this reality? Let's go, for instance, and then it even proceeds in a different manner. Because when you go, let's say we go into the delta state, the dream state, right? When we hit that state, the bonds and the carbon is still present. It is still present. You know, the darkness is present. That's why all possibilities are possible, meaning the impossible is possible. Because in the so-called space, they say the space is not empty. You know, it is full of potential. It is full of carbon, dark matter, what has the ability to bond whatever element is projected. With what intelligence is necessary? The intelligence is in the ether. The ether is the thought and imagination. The bonding of the carbon toward the elements it need to bond can be proclaimed or, let's say, rearranged or arranged in the ethers. Now, Everything proceeds from thought. And then it starts lowering its density until it becomes into the matter of the fact. Facts. Therefore, it is important to consider what creates what is created, and in what manner is necessary in order for anything to be created. I just wanted to share that with you. So expound upon such a thing. Expound upon that.